Hi and welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this video I will show you all the fuses and the relay responsible for the blower motor. Now these vans, some of them come with only front climate controls, so those ones will have only the fuse for the front, but some of them like this one come with the rear climate controls as well, and those ones will have separate fuse and the relay. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Main fuse box on this Dodge minivans is located just under the front hood next to the battery. Now to leave the cover you'll have two clips, one here and one here, so you want to press onto the clips and leave the cover straight up, and also on the back side of the cover you will have a nice fuse diagram. So the front blower motor fuse is fuse number J15 and it's a 40 amp fuse located here. So this is your front blower motor fuse. And the rear blower motor fuse is fuse number J12. It's a 30 amp fuse located right here in the corner. Now you will have this one only in case you have rear climate controls. And right here you'll have the rear climate control relay, which also applies only to vans equipped with rear climate controls. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.